Welcome back to this channel to part 2 of linear equations. Here we're going to share with you how to approach and solve problems in a simple manner. Okay? Without further delay, let us begin. Here, the original problem here is in the left, and on the right we have the same one, the problem what we're going to be working on step by step. So for the first step here, I have negative 2 equals 3 minus m over 9. Don't be alarmed when you see a fraction. Let me just erase this to show the point here. Don't be alarmed when you see a fraction. Just think of it as, oh, this is a fraction. Remember that each number is that number over a fraction as well. Okay? So for example, negative 2 here, you x is equal to x over 1. Negative 2 is the same as negative 2 over 1. All right? So now that we have that, we get negative 2 over 1 equals 3 minus m over 9. And now we just have to cross multiply now. So we got negative 2 times 9 equals to 1 times 3 minus m. So let's rewrite that here. Second step here. Negative 2 times 9 equals 1 times 3 minus m, which is the same as 3 minus m. Okay? So here we in our problem now. So negative 2 times 9, knowing and checking our math facts, is simply 18, but not just simply 18, it's negative 18. Because a negative times a positive is always a negative. Okay? And it's equal to 3 minus m. Now it looks a lot more simpler to deal with. Okay? In this part. So we enter the third step that we're going to be working on. Now, what is the thing I need to do? Because we're looking for m. We don't know what m is. It's a mystery. But we're going to crack that mystery today. So we need to leave this m alone. So to do that, we need to take this 3 and bring it to the other side where the 18 is at, where it's lonely. All right. So to do that, we know 3 is positive over here. So the best way to move that on both sides, you have to subtract this positive 3 with the opposite 3, which is negative. So we had to subtract this 3 so that it could cross out and subtract it on both sides here. That way, when you equal it, it'd be negative 18 minus 3. Keep change flip. Negative 18 minus 3 is the same as negative 18 plus negative 3, which is negative 21. Is equal to negative m. Okay? Now that we have negative 21 divided by negative m, the problem doesn't stay there. We need to divide it by this negative 1, the sign, so we could get rid of this sign. Okay? So we could get rid of that sign. All right. We divided both sides by negative 1 because even though the 1 is not written there originally, it is there. Okay? So I'm going to just put it there so it could be clear. You cross out that negative 1, and negative 21, I'm going to bring this over here. Negative 21 divided by negative 1 is simply negative 21. It's just not, well, it's not negative 21, but simply positive 21, I mean. So m is equal to positive 21. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. So I repeat, m is equal to positive 21. Okay? Because a negative 21 divided by negative 1 makes it a positive 21. Because a negative divided by negative is a positive. Okay? That's it for this video. Stay tuned and don't miss the next one. See you then. Take care. Bye bye.